Hi guys, my name is Brian from K-Dog Creations. Today I'm going to be showing you this 3D DIY nail mold. Is it good for beginners? I don't know. Stay tuned and we'll find out. So I bought this DIY 3D nail mold art thingamajigger, whatever it is. And so I've already opened it. I've had this for a while, but I actually wanted to make a video on if a beginner could use this. So let me get my brush out, and I'm not going to use my normal acrylic brush. I'm actually gonna get a smaller brush. Okay, let me just use this brush. I mean, it's almost the same. It's basically almost the same. Well, not basically almost the same. Not even anywhere close to it. Never mind. Okay, so let me get some paper towels. I'm just using cheap paper towels. So this is really hard, you guys. I mean, really hard. I'm not gonna lie. It was really hard for me to do. I have not looked at any videos on how to do this. So earlier, the first thing that I had did was I had put monomer inside of it and then, you know, dipped it in and whatnot. And it was a hot mess, I swear to God. I'm gonna dip it in and then like I'm gonna brush out everything in it. Then just grab whatever it grabs, I guess. Damp it, take out the excess or whatever. Put it in the mold, pat it down. This one's already messed up. The one in the middle. So what I did was I filled it up with monomer. Well, I wet it with monomer. I dipped my brush into the monomer. I lightly tapped it. I went in and my brush was completely saturated. I grabbed a little bit of it. I, did this, tapped it, and then I just put the acrylic into the actual mold. And see, I had thought that you were supposed to work with it super wet so that way you can mold it into the shape that you wanted, you know, because duh, it's a mold. So obviously not. Then I went in, I grabbed more. That's a lot. I grabbed more, I added it to it, and then I just left it there to dry, and that's all I did. I'll be back in a little bit while those dry. Maybe I should start taking them out now. Yeah, see, that's really not dry at all. bending it to get this flower opened. The little one that's here. And I'm trying my best to pick it up. Now, like I said before, this was really hard for me. Ooh. It worked. Can you guys see that? Yeah. It's so pretty! Okay, so there's one. Let's try to take out the big one. Now the big one is the one that I left in there really wet, so that one I could see. You know, maybe you guys, maybe it's just a Mia secret. To me, a secret looks like it works better. So yeah, it was just because I think I got the CV nail. But anyways, this one came out without sticking onto anything, and I actually had this one in there really wet, so you could tell that a chunk is missing from it, and that's because the chunk actually ripped out of it the first time that I tried it with CV nails. So don't use CV nails, you guys. Seriously, don't waste your money on that stuff. So I'm just opening them up so that way I can move them. Oh my god, that's so adorable! Sorry, you guys. That's really pretty. You could probably get a little brush and paint these. No, you probably could do them clear and then just paint them whatever colors you want and whatnot. I'm just gonna show you that it really was sticking onto it. I'm gonna try to make it focus on it. You see the shining on it? You see it shining? That's where the silicone ripped off onto the actual flower, and that's why this mold is no good anymore. Let's try this one. You see it? So, use Mia Secrets. I would recommend using it very dry. Like I said, really dry, and it most likely will work. Because using it and it not being dry tends to make it stick. So yeah, guys, my opinion on this, can a beginner use it? The answer is, of course, yes. You can use it. Just be very careful with it. I do love the fact that they're little flowers. I don't have to actually use a brush and 3D mold them onto my actual my nail, and that's because I don't know how to do that yet. So, you know, this is really cool for beginners to use. I really enjoyed doing this review. I think it's cool. I think it's really cool. So they are called 3D nail molds. Really enjoyed using this. It was cute. It was adorable to actually use them. Would I recommend a beginner using this? Yes, I would recommend a beginner using this. Look at all these cute little things. These are adorable. You could actually use these on your nail. And even though some of them did come out messed up, you could still figure out what to do with them. You could paint over them, do whatever you want to do, you know. But just be careful and clean your 3D nail mold as soon as you're finished with it. The way that I cleaned it was a little bit of acetone on a paper towel, and just wiped it clean, put it inside of each one, wiped it clean, and that was it. It actually got rid of most of the acrylic on it. So yeah, you guys, if you actually are watching this video and are not a subscriber yet, please consider subscribing. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye!